Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Johan. I've realized that on my previous videos I've been cutting away most of the climbing. So to compensate for that, this will be a full-on climbing episode. I started my ride quite late today, so I'm not sure how long I can keep going before it gets dark. I didn't bring any headlamps, so let's see. I forgot to bring my water bottle for this ride. Combining that with doing a climbing episode feels a bit like a mistake. Okay, I know that wasn't climbing, but you gotta admit, descending is more fun. Anyhow, it's starting to get dark here in the woods now, so I'm gonna wrap up and start heading home. So as you saw, it got quite dark there in the end. That means it's time to end the ride. Of course, as you saw, I couldn't stick to the climbing theme, but you know how it is. Descending is more fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please subscribe, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!